This is an unboxing of Jasper's new Slamm Rage 2 Monster Ripper.
So I've already
Lit it.
cut the top open. On that side.
It needs to do speeds. It might take a long time, but yeah. Anyway. Slamm Rage. Anything else? Yep.
Kate Skates returns procedure.
Oversized, triple stacked collar fan, reinforced deck, quick stop brake, max rider use, 100 kilograms. Jasper, you can't use it. Need scissors?
No.
Is this a Rage 1 or 2, Jasper?
Rage 2, the new one.
This is a limited edition, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep, limited edition.
Is there tape on it? No. Do you want scissors, please?
Scissors.
I don't want to scratch it.
Oh look, Jasper, you just open all of these. And no, they're on both sides.
Oh, somebody's
Bars. Yes.
Nice.
I think it comes with an MP, Jasper.
Yeah, it comes with an MP. It comes with 2 MPs.
Oh, look at that skull.
Wait to get it out.
The grip's still nice. Look at that skull, look. Wide reinforced deck. Slams are pretty good scoops. I'm gonna ride it, look.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad, can you turn?
Don't turn the light on, you open the curtains.
Yeah, about that.
It's limited edition. It's got the skull in it, and it says the Rage versus Kate Skates, which is the company that makes it.
We just need to open the curtains quickly. There you
The
go.
front, of course, got the hand. And on the wheels, it also says Rage versus Kate Skates, because it's limited edition.
Bubble wrap.
Take the bubble wrap off of the bars.
Oh, box nearly fell over. How many dislikes are we going to get on this shuffle?
Now we're going to get a little bit.
Hopefully. Oh, stickers coming off.
Stickers all.
So nice oversized. That is what you get for oversized.
Oversized triple clamp. Yeah.
You probably already noticed.
It's an air bubble.
And you probably noticed we're both boffins at schoolers, kind of.
Oh, there's a
Allen key.
there's an instruction manual here how to put it on another Allen key.
But we already know how to put it on.
So that's the unboxing of my Slamm Rage 2 Monster Ripper Limited Edition for Gaming Focus TV. Thank you.